Hello, friends and family. Welcome back to my kitchen. This is Owusu's kitchen. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if this is your first time stopping by, I would like to say a special welcome to you. I hope you like it in here to subscribe. Yes, my darling, go on and subscribe with your notification bell on so you receive all my new uploads. And to my subscribers, thank you so much for joining the family. In today's video, I'm sharing with you my green seasoning mix. And as the festive season is approaching, this is the perfect time to get ready for that turkey, that chicken or fish. And I have a bonus video at the end of this one to demonstrate to you how I use my green seasoning mix to season up my chicken. So please stay tuned. As you saw from the beginning, I have washed all these vegetables in cold water with salt. Okay, so over here we are going to go through the ingredient list. In my bowl are 3 green bell peppers with 1 red pepper. These are about 10 green chilies as well to go with it. They give out medium heat. It is not too spicy, so if you prefer your sauce spicier, you might consider using green scotch bonnet. And I am a lover of ginger, so I'm using about 2.5 thumb size of it as well to go with it. I'm actually making a big batch, so feel free to adjust the quantity according to how much you want. Next on my ingredients are some rosemaries. I prefer to use the fresh ones as they are more fragrant, and the stem, as you can see, is quite hard, so I'll just rip off the leaves of the stem and add it to the bowl. Dry ones are okay to use, but then if you can get hold of the fresh, I would advise you to go for that instead. I also have a bunch of fresh thyme here with its sharp earthy flavor, which blends so well with other herbs. So I'll go ahead and rip them off as well. Next on the list are of course some spring onions. Okay, we are using both parts, both the white and the green part, so I'll chop them up and add it to the bowl as well. And I do not use any additional onion because I'm using 2 bunch of spring onions. Next on my ingredients list are some fresh parsley. I'm using ×2 of this much, but I've decided to keep one in the pack to show you so you know what to go for. So you want the flat leaf parsley and not the curled ones. The curled parsley is normally used for garnishing. And if you guessed, you did guess right. I'm also adding 2 bunch of coriander to give that refreshing and citrusy taste to the blend. Last but not the least are some garlic, and I'm using both bulbs to go with it, and it's so easy to peel if you soak it in hot water for about 20 minutes. The skin literally comes off with minimum effort, so I'm going to go ahead and peel the rest off camera and then we shall proceed. I'm going to start off the blending process with the ginger, garlic, the peppers and the spring onions, and then we will proceed to the leaves. And my darling, have you subscribed to this channel yet? Please do so. Subscribe, join the family, and let's cook delicious meals together. Thank you so very much. Okay, so I'll go ahead and blend the first batch, and then we would pour it down and continue with the rest. You can see the first batch isn't green yet, but once we blend the next batch and mix it together, it will be lovely as green. The easiest way to go about this is to fill up the food processor to start with, and once it blends, it will make more room for you to add the remaining ingredients for blending. And once that is done, I am now going to combine the first batch to the greener part and give it a final blend up to mix it up and to get the desired color and texture. If you like lemon as much as I do, go ahead and squeeze one into the blend. The lemon acts like a preservative, whilst you keep it in your fridge, and it also adds that citrusy flavor. But alternatively, you can use salt or oil to preserve this. You will be introduced to new exciting flavors once you use this to marinate your chicken, fish, or meat. It is amazing with all kinds of sauces as well. So yes, my darling, our grain seasoning mix is ready and it looks colorful with tiny bits of red here and there. And as I mentioned earlier on, I'm going to show you how easy and convenient it is to use this to marinate your chicken or fish. Okay, so I'm just scooping about 4 spoons, and with that I will add 1 teaspoon of salt and oil, and then I'll mix it up, and that's it. Our seasoning is ready. The good thing is, apart from it tasting absolutely great, you know exactly what is inside. And some of these herbs are actually packed with amazing health benefits. And again, you don't have to use excessive seasoning or lots of salt. Everything is in here, and your chicken or fish is just simply going to taste delicious. Okay, so I'll flip the chicken over and I'll do this side as well. And if you've watched the video up until now, I am sure you like what I am doing. So why don't you go ahead and like the video? Give the video a big fat thumbs up to encourage your sis. Take a look at this. It is now ready to be grilled or baked. And the stock, it tastes simply amazing. Give this grain seasoning a go and you'll be happy you did. And thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in my next video. But until then, take care. Bye bye.